Welcome to Sheet Leveler. My name is Joanne, and I'm here to help you learn to use Excel efficiently and straightforwardly. We have prepared an informative video tutorial that will explain the two main methods to square a number in Excel. Let's get started. To find the square of a number, simply multiply the number by itself. This is the same as raising the number to the power of 2. Let's explore the first approach, which involves multiplying the number by itself. To begin writing a formula, select the cell where you want the formula result to appear and type an equal sign. To perform the multiplication, first click on the cell containing the number you wish to use, which in this case is B3. Now, type an asterisk into the cell, which signifies multiplication in Excel, then click the cell containing the number again. Excel will calculate the square of the number in B3 by multiplying it by itself. Press Enter, and the result will be displayed. When we multiply 1 by 1, the result is 1. To quickly copy a formula to multiple cells, simply click and drag the bottom right corner of the cell containing the formula. This will apply the formula to the data table below, squaring the numbers in the process. Let's continue to the next topic. Let's clear the previous results and now try another way to square the numbers using the power function. To use the power function, click on the target cell again and type an equal sign. Then begin typing the word POWER. Choose the suggested function, and now we need to enter two pieces of information to complete the process. The first is number and the second is power. Number is the base that is being raised to a given exponent. So we want to click on the number in cell B3. Let's add a comma and clarify what we mean by power. Power is the exponent that will be used to denote the power to which we wish to raise a given number. In our example, we are aiming to multiply the given number by itself, which is known as a squaring. To achieve this, we need to set the power to 2. To calculate a number raised to the power of 3, enter 3 in the exponent field. For any other power, enter the respective power in the exponent field. We are multiplying the number by itself, which is called squaring the number. Therefore, we will leave the power to 2 that we have set it to earlier. Once the details have been specified, close the brackets, press Enter, and you're done. That was easy. To quickly copy a formula to multiple cells, simply click and drag the bottom right corner of the cell containing the formula. This will apply the formula to the data table below, squaring the numbers in the process. To learn how to add the square symbol in Excel, check out the video tutorials by Sheet Leveler. For a convenient link to the videos, look in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, give my video a like. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and join our online community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.